Hello children, today we will be doing chapter 13 Agriculture in India. What is agriculture? Agriculture is to grow crops. And to grow crops for whom? For people and animals. Okay, now let us study. You will underline wherever I ask you to underline. Let us read. We already know that the food grains we eat come from the fields. Most food grains are grown in fields are known as crops. So what are crops? The food grains which are grown in the fields are known as crops. So we'll underline this portion. The practice of farming and the cultivation of land to grow crops is called agriculture. Now what are agriculture? Agriculture is to cultivate the land, means to plow the fields. To grow crops is called agriculture. So we again underline this portion. The practice of farming and the cultivation of land to grow crops is called agriculture. Apart from farming, agriculture includes other activities like dairy farming. This is another kind of farming where dairy products are produced like butter, cheese, cottage cheese, curd, yogurt. These are all coming from dairy farming, and chocolates, these are all coming from dairy farming. Livestock rearing. What is livestock rearing? It is keeping of animals for their milk and flesh, skin. These are wool. It is from the livestock. Then fishing. Fishing is another kind of rearing, that is you grow fish. And horticulture. Horticulture, in the same land you can grow vegetables as well as fruits. So what are the kinds of farming is also there? Dairy farming, livestock rearing, fishing and horticulture. Okay. Importance of agriculture. Now why do we need agriculture? Agriculture is important as it produces food for people and animals. Dairy farming and rearing of livestock provides food and fibers like wool and silk. Many industries like the canned food industries, textile industries and leather industry depend on agriculture for raw material. Now children will underline from here. Why is agriculture important? Agriculture is important as it produces food for people and animals. Dairy farming and rearing of livestock provides milk, food and fiber like wool and silk. Okay. Many industries like canned food industry, textile industries needs leather industry, and leather industries depend on agriculture for raw materials. Now you must be thinking, why leather? Because animal skin, the hide is made into leather. Okay, that is why it is saying leather industry. Okay. Farming is a major occupation of people in India. What is farming? It is one of the major occupations of people in India. The favorable climate, fertile soil and irrigation facility in our country helps farmers to grow crops in a year. Now what helps the farmers? It is the favorable climate, fertile soil and irrigation facility which helps the farmers to grow crops, many kind of crops in a year. Now there are two types of crops. One is the cash crops and one is the food crops. Food crops are the crops which are grown to feed people, and cash crops are the crops which are for raw materials and to sell. Okay. So let us read food crops in India. The crops grown to feed people are called food crops. And what are they? Rice, wheat, millets, and different types of pulses are food crops. The crops grown as raw materials for industries and sold for money are called cash crops. Now, what are cash crops? Cotton, jute, sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee, spices, coconut are examples of cash crops. Okay? So, there are two types of crops. One is food crop and other is cash crop. Food crop is grown to feed people and cash crops are grown for raw materials and for selling. Okay, food crops of India. Rice is one of the staple food crops of India. Underline this portion. Rice is one of the staple food crops of India. Rice requires hot and wet climate to grow, also known as paddy. Okay, the rice fields are also known as paddy. Rice is sown during the monsoon season. So when is rice sown, children? Rice is sown during the monsoon season. West Bengal, Assam, Jharkhand, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala are the rice producing states of India. Okay. Next is wheat. Wheat is another important food of India. Wheat is another important food or crop of India. It grows in cool and moist climate. This winter crop is a staple food of people of northern India. Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh are the major wheat producing estates. Now is millets. Millets were the first crops to be cultivated by the early settlers. Now children, when was the millet was the first crop to be cultivated for the early settlers? Sorry. They include all cross food grains such as jowar, bajra and ragi. Millets grow in hot and dry climate. So we underline from here, millets were the first crops to be cultivated by early settlers. They include all kind of cross food grains such as jowar, bajra and ragi. Millets grow in a hot and dry climate. Okay. Now where is millet produced? The millet producing states in India are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Bihar, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So next is cash crops of India. Cash crops of India. Jute is one of the major cash crops which is grown in India. Okay. And the producer is West Bengal. The producer of jute is West Bengal. Okay. Cash crops of India. Jute is a major cash crop grown in India. So underline this place, children. It grows well in hot and wet climate. Assam, Orissa, West Bengal and Bihar are the major jute producing states of India. Jute fiber is used in industries as raw materials making for bags, carpets and ropes. West Bengal is the largest producer of jute. So underline wherever I have underlined. Okay. Fact quest. In the 1960s, the government of India launched a program known as Green Revolution. Why was it launched, children? To help farmers increase their agricultural production. That is why it was launched. So we will underline the whole thing. Okay. Once again, I'll read it for you. In the 1960s, the government of India launched a program known as the Green Revolution to help farmers increase their agricultural production. Okay, and here is the word consumer. Consumer means a person who buys goods. Okay, goods means things. It can be anything like you can buy rice, wheat, at the same time sugarcane, tea, coffee, or toothpaste, any kind of dal. Whatever we purchase from the shop, we are the consumers. Okay, so let us keep till here, children. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe. Bye.